Hello guys and welcome again. So today is 30th of January 2022. So as you have seen in my previous video, which is about my crash that I had on 24th of December 2021. So in that video I have shown what was damaged on my motorcycle, and my knee was also busted in that crash. So the knee is almost healed, and now I have got my motorcycle repaired on 19th of January. So in this video I'll show what they have replaced and what is not replaced and only repaired. So and I'll also show you the total cost of the repair. So let me just first start with the exhaust and exhaust heat shield. So as you remember, in the previous video I have shown you the exhaust heat shield was totally scratched, and there was some scratches right here on the exhaust. So this I have fixed at home by my own self using spray paint. I just scrubbed the whole exhaust heat shield. I just removed it first and scrubbed the whole heat shield with a 100 number sandpaper which I have at my home. So then after that I bought a spray can, a black matte paint spray can from Amazon.com. So I use that to spray it. Let me just show you the so this is the paint can which I have bought from Amazon, and I use this can to paint this exhaust heat shield in black and also cover this exhaust part here. The scratches are here, so I just scrubbed this smooth with a 100 number sandpaper and just spray painted it. There are few rough edges here around this bolt, but still the black looks very good. In fact, the black looks very good. In fact, to me the black looks much better than the original grey paint or the silver one that the exhaust heat shield was. So this paint can costed me around 200 rupees, 215 rupees from Amazon. It says Abro spray paint. It's in matte. So let me just show you the other things that have been repaired. So as you have seen in that video that this part of the leg guard, this right side leg guard was bent. So they didn't replace it. They just straightened it out. As this guard was totally fine, so they just straightened it out, and there was some scratches here, so I just covered it with the same spray paint. So it costed me nothing. That spray paint costed me only 200 rupees. Then we come to top of the motorcycle. So this handlebar has been replaced. Why? Because the bike fell on the right side. So on the right side, on this grip side, this handlebar was slightly bent towards upwards. So they asked me whether to replace it or to straighten it, so I opted to replace it. So then this brake lever was bent, so this have been replaced. So this mirror was fine. This bar and weight was damaged, so they fixed a new one here. And this handguard was all scratched. So I didn't ask them to replace it, but still they replaced it, so I kept the original one with me, and this is a new handguard. So these are the things which have been replaced. So these are the four things which have been replaced on the motorcycle. And for the exhaust heat shield, I just painted it black at my own by my own. So the total cost of this repair with the part replacement costed me 1300 rupees at the service center. I'll just show you the bill and the breakup of every part. So and 200 for this and 200 for this spray paint. So the total cost comes around 1500 rupees only. So this motorcycle is very economical and cost effective to maintain and run. Let me just show you the bill and the breakup of the parts which have been replaced. So here is the bill. The first item, it says string handle. It's around 95 rupees. It's around 95 rupees. This is the brake lever for your front brake, and then the hand guard which is on the right hand side. It costed me around 115 rupees. Then there is this item, the third one, the bar and string, 16 rupees. The bar and weight which was on the right hand side, it costed around 16 rupees. And then there is this thing pipe string handlebar. Pipe steering handlebar. This is the handlebar. The cost of this handlebar is 279 rupees. As you can see in the bill, you can pause and take a screenshot of this bill. And then on the last item, the fifth item, there is some zip ties and cable ties to fix the cables in place. Then the fork alignment has been done. The bike was going slightly towards the right, so they have done the fork alignment and the cone set bearing. They also reset the cone set bearing. So for that they have charged 750 rupees total. So there is a breakup of fork alignment for left leg and right leg, and the total is 750 rupees. And then there is another lever. It's around 40 rupees. It is for straightening out the leg guard or something they have done with the rear brake. So they actually built the pressure in the rear brake. So this for that. And there is some error code on the bike ECU also. The malfunction light was on, so they also cleared that error code. Some sensor was loose according to them, so they just fixed it and the error code was gone. So that's it. This is the total cost of the bill. I paid them 1300 rupees, as you can see it, 1300 rupees, and 200 for the paint can. So total cost of the repair of this motorcycle falls around 1515 rupees, including the spray paint. So this is it. So the bike is totally fixed now, and as you can see, the bike is fixed now, and I am able to ride now. The mobility in my knee is back, so it's 95% healed. So still avoiding long rides, only taking it out for short commutes. So soon I'll be riding in full form. So this video is just to show the cost effectiveness of this motorcycle. After this much of damage and almost around 4 items have been replaced and forks have been realigned, then the cost only 1300 rupees at the Hero Service Center. And the spray, and do tell me how you find this spray paint job which I have did on the exhaust seal sheet. To me, it personally looks better in black than the original grey paint. Thanks guys, and thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.